When you click on an object in the main screen, a new window opens. Here you can see detail of your selected object for 12 hours before and after midnight of the current day. The solid blue line shows the altitude over the course of the night. The time between astronomical dusk and dawn is shown with a white background. The dotted blue line indicates the azimuth of the object. The y-axis to the right shows the azimuth, the left side the altitude. A solid yellow line shows the moon's altitude, and the dotted yellow line, the moon's azimuth. If you want to get details for another night, you can change the day, the month, and the year underneath the graphic. There is also a view for the month and the year, so you can see the object's altitude at 11 p.m. local time for a month or a year. That provides you with a quick overview of when an object is best positioned to be imaged. In this case, you can clearly see that August to September would be ideal from an altitude perspective. Scroll down further, and you can see a text field for project notes. The idea is that you note comments for your imaging planning in there, for instance, the telescope and camera you plan to use, etc. Once you change the content of that field, it will be highlighted in the overview screen, so you always can have an eye on the objects you plan to image. Underneath the Project Notes field are 4 buttons. Clicking on the toggle Simbad Info does exactly that. It opens the information for the current object on the Simbad website. Clicking it again closes that view. Another great tool for planning your imaging session is Finding Imaging Opportunities. This will show you the best upcoming nights to image the currently selected object. If you click on any of these dates, the graphic in the imaging screen changes to that specific date. I will show you how to adjust the settings for this screen in the tutorial about the configuration screen. And last not least, there is the Open in Stellarium button. Clicking on it will send his object to Stellarium, which will automatically focus on it. Switch to Stellarium, and you will see the object selected. In order for that to work, you need to activate the remote control plugging in Stellarium. Well, that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and it can help you in your imaging journey. You can find updates and more information on our website. Until next time, clear skies!